Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can fix Roblox connection error. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Play Store and search for the Roblox. And you need to update Roblox application. As you can see, my Roblox is up to date. Then you need to go back and open settings of your smartphone. And here you need to go into the app management and click on app list and search for the Roblox. So you simply need to click on that. And here you need to click on storage and cache. The first step you need to clear cache, and after that you need to clear storage. And still you are facing an issue, you simply need to open any browser and search for Roblox. Is Roblox down? So let me search, and here you can see the website. Click on that. So here you can see that currently Roblox facing an issue and it will be fixed soon because the Roblox team is working on that, and you need to wait for few minutes or depend on the time you need to wait, so it will be fixed soon. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.